Hello and welcome to Lots of Fun Barbecue. Today we're going to make some soup because it's grey and dreary and rainy and drizzly and I'm getting wet out here. Anyway, I also wanted to show you what I got for my little kettle. This is a stainless steel grate. It's a no-name thing, but these bars are 1/4 inch thick or something, I don't know, 6 millimeters, whatever that is. Yeah, that's a 1/4 inch. So I think that's going to be good. Anyway, it's got quite large hinges, larger than the original grate, which I like because it's easy to get some charcoal in there. It's a bit of leek, some carrots, some root celery, and parsnip. Got this. It just says bone from beef bone. You have no idea what type of beef it is, but it's for soup or broth. I'm gonna make soup. Anyway, I'm gonna season this up with some spicy, smoky, and slightly sweet barbecue rub. I think that's gonna be good. I'm gonna smoke this on the kettle for a little bit before adding it all to the lodge and cooking it on the grill with that. So I'm gonna chop this up and have it in a bowl of water, and then I'll meet you out by the grill. It's gonna be good. Since the vegetables are gonna get really mushy from cooking out there for more or less all of today, I'm just gonna use about half for the cooking process. I'm gonna remove them when it's about an hour to go and then add some back to get like some vegetables in the soup that are gonna be at least a nicer texture to them. So I'm just gonna put a little piece of oak wood on here, and then we're gonna put these on here for, I don't know, 2 hours. Get some smoke on them. This grate has, I might actually do it like that. This grate has a little bit more space between the bars. Not sure if that's a good thing or not. Anyway, I'm gonna let this rock and then I'll meet you back out here in, well, let's say 2 hours. It's been about 2 hours. This has been running at between 275 and 300 degrees. And time to get the pot on there. These in here. And then I've got the vegetables. And to this we're gonna add 15 juniper berries, 4 bay leaves, 10 allspice and 10 mixed peppercorns, a tablespoon of the rub that I used for the meat, a 1/4 cup, or well, just about 3 tablespoons of beef stock. And then we're gonna add water to cover this. So this is gonna be about 3/4 of water. So this is what we have. I'm gonna leave this on here and I'll meet you back in 4 hours. And this is what we're looking at. I'm gonna strain that now in the colander and then add the sauce back into the pan. Add those veggies. What I did was I cut up 6 potatoes as well in chunks. I'm gonna boil them in there. I'm gonna take the meat inside and clean that off the bone and cut it into pieces. I'm not gonna show you that, not very interesting. I'm gonna put it back into the soup and then it's more or less time to serve. There we go. All cut into small pieces like this, going back into the soup. There we go. Let's build the plate. And with the soup, you need grilled cheese. Preferably in triangles, right? So this is just toast with some cheese. There we go. And take a picture. I'm gonna taste it. There we go, some ox soup. Beef soup, meat soup. That's got a lot of flavor. That's really nice. I'm happy I found that piece of meat. Thank you for watching. Bye.